Is it faster to file a marriage visa application or a fiancé visa application? What I've seen over my 20 plus years is usually the processing times from USCIS on marriage and fiancé visas are about the same. Sometimes one will be quicker by 2 or 3 months or a little bit more or less, but usually they're around the same amount of time for processing. And so what I will tell people a lot of times is it's more cost efficient and time efficient to get married overseas and file the marriage visa application. And the reason that I say that is because if you file the fiancé visa application, the fiancé has 90 days to get married to you once they enter the US, and then they have to file additional paperwork with USCIS after they get married to you, and they do what's called an adjustment of status application. And that application process will add several more months and will have additional filing fees that go with it, which are a lot more expensive than if you were to have just filed the marriage application through USCIS and the consulate overseas. So in my calculation, I normally tell people if you know that you're going to get married anyways and you are able to go overseas and get the marriage license, then usually it's better to just go ahead and get married overseas and file the marriage-based application. But I do understand that sometimes as a new couple who hasn't lived together before, you may want to do the fiancé visa instead because you want the 90 days just to make sure that you are going to be happy living together, and you want to decide that before you actually get married and file a marriage-based application. So that's my general take on it. Again, they're roughly about the same amount of time for processing. You can always check the USCIS processing times through the USCIS website to see what the current timings are, but that's generally how I look at it. I hope that's helpful. Take care.